I'm going to teach you how to master your meal planning part 1. Stop waiting until one time on the weekend or one time to sit down and look through recipes, put your meal plan together, and get your grocery list. I add a little bit at a time, and I'm going to show you my favorite app that I use that helps me save both time and money. As I come across recipes that I want to try or ideas that I have, I add it into my app and it stores it for me. Then all I do is drag and drop to plan, and it generates my shopping list for me. I'm going to teach you how to master your meal plan part 2. You have to look ahead at your schedule for the next week. You might have 3 or 4 super long days where you don't get home until 7 o'clock at night. But if you make a meal plan that has dinners you're supposed to cook that night, you won't be able to do it and stick to it. You're going to end up doing takeout and throwing the food that you got away. Instead, look ahead on the days that you have really long days. Plan crock pot or casserole meals. Ready for mastering your meal plan part 3? You have to have your grocery list ready before the weekend. Nobody wants to spend their time putting together a grocery list, going through what they already have, and then going to the grocery store and coming back to take care of it. You never know what comes up on the weekend, and chances are you've had a really hard day. All you want to do is rest. Have your grocery list ready before Friday. Already know when you're going to the grocery store and put it on your calendar. Stick to it so that you stick to your plan. And if you want to use Instacart, your girl ain't judging.